In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Submit button in Google Forms. This process is straightforward because Google Forms has fortunately made it quite simple and intuitive for users. So, let's dive in and explore the nuances of this task. Now, generally speaking, Google Forms automatically includes a Submit button at the end of every form you create. It's built into the design, ensuring that once your form is complete, respondents can easily send their responses with just a click. However, if your intention is to customize what happens post-submission, you have the flexibility to tailor the confirmation experience for your users. Let's dive into how you can enhance this part of your Google form. First, open your form in Google Forms. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive or directly through the Google Forms application if you have the link handy. Once you're in, you should see the various questions and sections that you've set up for your respondents. To customize the settings post-submission, look for the Settings button at the top right corner of the page. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with several options, one of which is Presentation. Go ahead and click on that. Within the presentation settings, you'll find a variety of options designed to enhance the way your form is presented and experienced by the user. One of these key options is the confirmation message box. Here, you can type in a custom message that your respondents will see after they click the Submit button. This message is a great way to thank users for their time or provide them with additional information or instructions. For instance, you could write something like, "Thank you for completing the survey. We appreciate your feedback and will get back to you soon." Or any message that's appropriate for your context. After you've typed your custom message, the final step is simple. Just click the Save button at the bottom of the settings panel. While you haven't altered the Submit button itself, what you've done is personalize the form's behavior after submission, adding a touch of professionalism and engagement to your form. So, that's all there is to it. Remember, the Submit button itself stays as is, a faithful component of Google Forms. But now, with your personal touch, you create a more meaningful connection with your respondents just by customizing what happens afterwards. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you make the most of your Google Forms.